Wanna kill boredom in your class? Looking for some teaching resources that can have the magical effect of getting all learners engaged? Wanna help learners have fun while studying English? This video is for you then. Welcome back to Teach English with Passion. For today, I'm gonna share with you a collection of fun and interactive games and activities that you can adapt to any content you are dealing with, making your class more interesting. Eager to know more? Continue watching. The first fun activity I would like to suggest is picture-based discussions. This activity targets the two skills, speaking and writing, and it works well with both small and large groups. In this activity, the teacher provides the class with a number of pictures, preferably cartoons, which are related to a given topic. For example, environment, peace, technology, or any other topic you are dealing with. The teacher asks learners to work in pairs or individually to write a caption or a short description for each cartoon. The teacher then interacts with learners, listening to their answers and having further discussions about the topic of each picture. Number 2, songs. Songs are an effective fun teaching resource. You can use them to teach vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. Now here are some ideas on how to use songs in your class. The simplest thing you can do with songs is a gap filling activity as the one shown here. The teacher removes key lyrics related to the focus of the lesson, and learners are asked to listen to the song and complete with the missing words. The teacher can provide some hints or pictures to help learners get the words easily. Another way to deal with songs is through a matching activity. The teacher can ask learners to listen to a given song and match the lyrics together, or he or she can provide the verses on strips of paper. Learners listen to the song and put the verses in order. Also, as shown on page 7, the teacher can ask learners to listen to a given song and identify the correct word they hear. Videos are also a very interesting teaching resource. They can be used to develop learners' listening, speaking, and writing skills. The teacher can choose a video that is related to the content he is teaching or covering. The teacher can design some activities about the video. The activities, of course, should serve the lesson's objectives. For example, the teacher can focus on grammar, vocabulary, or simply on the topic of the video. The activities suggested here are based on a short animated video which explores the topic of human impact on nature. In case you want to use these activities, you can find the link to download the video in the description box below. As far as games are concerned, the teacher can use a variety of them, including crosswords, puzzles, maze games, and many others. The teacher can use games to teach and introduce new items or to reinforce and review a previously learned material. The puzzle shown here is an example of a grammar game which focuses on the passive form. The teacher can set this kind of games as a kind of practice during the lesson or as an assessment tool at the end of a given unit. In such kind of games, learners can work individually, in pairs, or in groups. Games are not meant only to be grammar related. You can design and adapt plenty of games in relation to every and each topic or any aspect of language you want. The most important thing is to adjust those games to your learner's level and to the content you are dealing with. That's all for today's topic. Hopefully you find it helpful and useful. If you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you want me to deal with, leave a comment below. If you like the content of the video, subscribe now and share the video with your colleagues. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye.